How to buy a Shein gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can buy a gift card in your Shein app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Shein application from your device. Make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. Then tap on Me section on your bottom right. Once done, you will be able to see gift card option on your top right. Tap onto it. Here you can see bestseller gift card. Choose any that you would like to buy. Once you have chosen the gift card that you would like to buy, type in the email address of the recipient. In case you would like to buy it for yourself, just type in your email address. If you would like to add a message, write it at the box below that says add a message and make sure that it does not exceed 250 characters. Once done, tap on the box that says by placing this order, I agree that I read and understood the terms and conditions. Once done, tap on checkout. Confirm your email address and tap on checkout again. Then you will be led towards this page. Here simply type in your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your city, your state, your zip code and your address. Once done, tap on to save. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on to place order, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.